Hey guys, welcome to This Ohio Farmhouse. I'm Jenna. Today I'm just going to take you outside with me and I'm going to do a little bit of work. I have some chores to do. I need to pull some carrots because we're supposed to get down into actual freezing temperatures tonight. Not just a little frost warning, but like actual freezing temperatures, which I am so not ready for. But when it gets to this time of the year, I really just want to be able to go inside and it be cozy and it smell good. And so this afternoon, Joanna's going to be coming over and we are going to be making some wax melts that we put into our candle warmers. It's just a safe way to get that scent into your house. I actually have a couple of that are like plug-ins that go into the wall, and so we utilize them as a nightlight as well. But we wanted something that's a little bit safer and less toxic to breathe in, so we're gonna be making wax melts today. It's a super simple process, but before I do that, I have a little bit of work that I need to do outside.
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. I thought I had searched both without and within. I was looking to get wet, standing in the rain. Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed.
Alright, so Joanna's here. I got all of my stuff done outside and we're going to make wax melts just as we promised you in last week's video.
Yeah, so we talked about how we were going to go ahead and make these wax melts this week. Jenna got this really cute.
I know, isn't that fun?
Form.
I found this just on Amazon, but it's little beehives and
So
bees.
cute.
So we're going to use that as our mold. Really, you could pick up a mold from like a soap making aisle at Hobby Lobby or someplace like that.
Land fabrics.
Yep. But I just grabbed mine on Amazon so that I didn't have to drag all of my kids to the store.
Yeah, and so today I think we're just going to go ahead and start with this. It's really important for me anyway. As a counselor, I love setting the atmosphere for relaxation and calm. People that I see that have anxiety or depression, sometimes I like to diffuse like grapefruit or something uplifting, and then other times if you have anxiety, I'd like to diffuse something like lavender or serenity that I'm going to put in our wax melts today.
Make the mood.
Make the mood.
Yeah.
It's important. And you're going to put some of these wax melts somewhere here in your house.
Yeah,
right?
so I have a plug-in version of this, and I picked this up a really long time ago from Scentsy actually, but now you can buy them pretty much anywhere. If you go to like Meijer or Walmart, I think even I've seen them at like Menards and like home improvement stores. You can pretty much pick them up anywhere. Yeah. But I keep this in my bathroom. It's just kind of, it serves as a nightlight as well for the kids if they go in there in the middle of the night. But it just, what it does is it just warms it. And so there's no flame or anything. You just put the little wax melt in here and it warms it up, and then that smell goes into your room.
Well, and some people are really concerned about candles. In fact, our grandmother, she was never allowed to light a candle because my grandpa wouldn't let her. So this is definitely a little bit safer. So if you're wanting to go a safer route, there it is.
60 years ago, Grandma needed
She needed a warm
wax warmer.
She never got one. I don't know. We should get her one now.
We should.
Get her one now. So it's pretty simple, like the last recipe. It's just going to be a cup of beeswax pellets, which is what we have today, and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So we're just going to put it. That one.
I'll get some beeswax.
Yeah, and then we're going to put this on the stove and warm it up.
You really could use any kind of beeswax. We just have pellets that we had picked up. One day, hopefully, my beehives actually produce this for me. I do have some. I mean, I have it like in a little bag here of some that we rendered, but not nearly enough yet. That was just kind of our very first go around. So.
And you can get the pellets in white or like a yellowy color.
Yeah.
I
like the white better.
I think I do too. Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. We're going to melt this down on the stove really quick, and then we'll start adding our essential oils. I have some stuck to my finger. Okay. Go over to the stove. On the camera.
You do not have an official double boiler, but you're just going to want to put some water in the bottom of your pan. You're going to want to get a bowl a little bit bigger than your pan, because last time we went a little bit smaller and it was really hard to get it out. So you're just going to let this sit on here and let the beeswax pellets melt.
Wait a while. Please make this moment last. Wait up, sundown. Wait a while. No reason to be fast.
Okay, so we decided in our beehive mold that we're gonna do drops individually in each little section, so you can have different scents in each different one.
Yeah, if you wanted to do everything the same scent, you could just mix the essential oils directly into your bowl, and in that case you need about 40 drops of essential oils. If you're gonna do a blend, then break that apart. Like if you have 4 different oils, then you're gonna do 10 drops of each one into your bowl. But because we wanna have a variety of little melts, we decided that we're gonna just put the drops directly into here as we fill it. So we're gonna start working pretty quickly, because you'll notice that wax dries so
really fast.
So we want to move as fast as we can. So I'm going to grab this off of the stove. We're going to pour it in here so that it pours easier, and then we'll start filling this up, and Joanna's going to fill these in. So you're going to do Serenity.
I'm going to do Serenity. You're doing a blend of wild orange, bergamot, and lime.
Right, so I want to do like a citrusy one, and then I'm going to do more of like a fall type one with patchouli and clove.
I love patchouli. Some people hate it, but I love it. I feel like it's one of those oils.
Oh, it's a love.
They love it or they hate it. Yeah, they love it or hate it.
I normally like it when it's mixed with stuff, but not necessarily by itself.
Yeah, me too. I have to have it mixed with something. And Serenity is a really good relaxation blend, so you can even add this to like your Epsom salts if you're taking a bath.
Yes.
You can diffuse it at night if you have a upset baby and you want to diffuse it to help with sleep, or yourself with sleep if you're having some insomnia or sleepless nights. This would be really a great blend.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grab this off the stove really quick, and then we'll move quickly. Grab. Okay, go ahead and start.
You're just gonna want to fill these up to the top. It's already starting to dry, or dry, so.
Oh, this is a slow oil. Come on.
Yeah, some come out fast, some come out a little bit slower. I'm like, can I do this at the same time?
How skilled are you? It definitely is starting to harden a little bit. It's okay. They're not horrible yet.
And we might have to heat this up again, what's left in here in the measuring cup.
We're gonna each
and we're done. Okay.
Okay. It's kind of the beauty of it though. There's some left in here. We can just heat the rest of that up and get it melted again. That didn't quite fill all of our molds, so we need to do some more anyway. So let's do another batch really quick. I'm just gonna show you really quickly how fast this sets up. So these have been in here for, I would say like a minute, and they're already hardening and starting to set up again. So if it happens to do that on you, it's fine. Just go ahead and remelt it, put it back into that double boiler, and you shouldn't have any problem.
Okay, so it's getting there. Let's see. Oh, that is super cute. It's got a little,
They're fun.
little bee on it. That's so cute. And it fits right inside of there.
So we have a couple different ones. This plugs in like a night light, and then these just sit on the counter and they light up, but there's such cute ones now.
There are really cute ones out there.
So you're just gonna put one in the center and that light bulb's gonna make it melt.
So cute. Gracie, you need
Oh, I love the bee.
Oh,
So cute.
Yeah. And you can see right through it too. It kind of illuminates.
What do you think? This one lost patience, huh?
Yes.
You don't feel good today.
Aww.
All right, so that's it. It's really simple. If you want to check out our video that we did last week on making an actual candle that you light, I'll throw a link up for that as well, and you can click on there. Otherwise, we will have in the description links for you to pick up some of the supplies and the molds and the things that you'll need. So
thanks for hanging out with us today. We had some fun, and I hope you have some fun making some melts of your own.
yeah, we'll catch you next week on This Ohio Farmhouse.